Hi everyone, welcome back. It's that time of the week when I show you my outfits. I'm going to try to show you them a little different this week so that you can see the full outfit. So this is the dress. Gosh darn it, I don't know, I just haven't been in the mood to wear this dress. So that's the dress. And then we have this white top, which I'm going to wear with these red pants. So those go with the red pants. And then I have this yellow top. Goes with the black pants. With these black pants. And I don't know if you can see the material. These pants are like a real soft material. Then we have this pink top. Hold on one second. Okay, so we have this pink top with these pink pants. Then we have this bodysuit, and it says Savage on it. As you can see, we have the bodysuit with these pants. Then we have this tunic. This tunic top with these cargo type pants. They're straight legged. So that is the outfits for the week. I figured that would be a little better way to show you, and then I will put them back together and show you them all together again. So here they are. These are the outfits for the week. All right. And then I will take you over and show you the wigs for the week. Now, for the wigs for the week, for the blue dress, I'm going to wear that Estetica Wynter. For the white top with the red pants, I want to wear Nicole. I want to wear the dark brown. Nicole with the dark brown. Oh, no, that's not Nicole. That is Doll Baby Harper, the darker wig. And then I'm going to wear Nicole with the rose gold with the yellow top and the black pants. And then I'm wearing Heather with the dark auburn with the pink top and the pink pants. And then I'm wearing Sunset in the auburn sugar with the Savage shirt and the beige pants. And then I'm wearing Heather is over next to Nicole. I'm sorry, Heather in the dark auburn. And then Sunset in the auburn sugar. And then we have Gail. I haven't worn her yet. And then down at the bottom, I have Ashley as a backup. So there are the wigs for the week. Okay. So that's the preview of what's to come for this week. Thanks for stopping by. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, I thank you so much. I appreciate everyone for watching. See you in the next one.